Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A25, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Somewhere here you will find screen recorder toggle. For me it is on the first page right over here, and this is the default location of all of those toggles, so in your case it should be in the same exact place. Anyway, once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up this message right here, start recording with screen recorder, asks you what kind of sound you want to record. You have option between none, media and mic. Though if you're planning to select media and mic, I do recommend using headphones for that, because otherwise the device will record the sound internally, and then once it comes out to the speakers, the microphone will pick that up a second time, creating an unwanted echo effect, which obviously is unwanted. And last option is show taps and touches, which will just show a semi-transparent gray dot on a screen recording wherever your finger was pressing the display. Anyway, we're going to start recording. This will begin a countdown, which you can skip. Now pausing this, we do have a couple options here. We have the pencil, which you can start drawing on a screen. Let's actually start recording. We have the front-facing camera. And obviously the pause, which I utilized before. And square will pause or stop the screen recording and save it into your gallery application, which I will open up right now. And you can see our screen recording is visible under the Photos tab right away. But if you're planning to look for that screen recording later on down the line, you might have a little bit of a bigger problem finding it between like all the photos and media that is visible right here. So what you can do is navigate into albums, and here you'll find a screen recording album, and obviously in that album you'll just find screen recordings and nothing else. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.